Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on why your garage door may not close. So first reason is your sensors could be a tiny bit dirty. Mine not that bad. So I'm going to use my foot as a demo, like there's something in the way. And if your door still does this, my remote's not respond all the way sometimes. Then what you could do is go to your next solution. Since like 3 reasons why these could not close, but here's the third reason. Second reason, you might have to readjust the sensor. And then put my remote down. And to do that, you just turn this bolt. Mine's really tight, so I can't do it. Turn the bolt, realign sensors to like that side, then tighten it up. And I think some other reasons. Hold on. God, you know some other reasons. Or there could just simply be something in the way. Like this, I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Put this little thing right here. And one of the other reasons is your sensors could also be dead. So if that's the case and none of those solutions work, you can just simply press and hold. And if that go, they'll back out. Move that back in. Close. Just like that, nothing wrong. Let me open it back up. And just like that, your issue's fixed. Okay, bye guys.